Birds vocabulary. Different types of birds in English with pictures. Okay, let's drive into the topic. Parrot. Macaw. Parakeet. Dove. Pigeon. Sparrow. Duck. Goose. Swan. Hen. Cock. Peacock. Crow. Lark. Myna. Cuckoo. Eagle. Bulbul. Vulture. Kingfisher. Starling. Owl. Hoopoe. Woodpecker. Bluebird. Canary. Robin. Nightingale. Toucan. Cockatiel. Ostrich. Flamingo. Penguin. Seagull. Cockatoo. Hummingbird. Lorikeet. Northern cardinal. Swallow. Spoonbill. Northern gannet. Osprey. Grey parrot. Ibis. Hornbill. Blue jay. Himalayan monal. Golden oriole. Barn owl. Cormorant. Arctic tern. Hawk. Mandarin duck. Stork. Heron. Scarlet ibis. Pelican. Albatross. Mallard. Magpie. Common pheasant. Snow bunting. Waxwing. American goldfinch. Quail. Conure. Atlantic puffin. Greater cuckoo. Emu. Turkey. Raven. Gadwall. Common shelduck. Crowned pigeon. Falcon. Bearded reedling. Egret. Loon. Ruddy shelduck. King eider. Tinamo. Spruce grouse. Trogon. Sunbird. Bear weaver. Blackbird. Bee eater. Black drongo. Blue throat. Babbler. Flycatcher. Nuthatch. Hill miner. Darter. Indian roller. Leafbird. Water hen. Warbler. Barbet. Swamp hen. Monarch.